Muraho neza, my name is Barnabe nongeye kubaha ikaze mu ishuri ryacu rya gatatu. Ubushize twize ukuntu bakora interuro sentence construction, ubu ngubu rero tugiye kwiga what we call simple present tense. Nk'uko nabibabwiye rero, uyu munsi tugiye kwiga tenses. Ariko mbere yuko dutangira, ahangaha hari our two new vocabularies as usual. Verb to read ivuga gusoma, I read book, gusoma ibitabo. Hanyuma na verb to do ivuga gukora, I am doing homework, I am doing some task. Okay, that's the verb to do ivuga gukora. Hanyuma to read ikavuga gusoma. Two new vocabularies, nyungura amagambo zacu z'uyu munsi. Hanyuma rero nkuko nabivuze tugitangira kwiga tenses. Tenses ya mbere tuheraho ni simple present tense. Simple present tense, it is used to show things that happens regularly. Iyo bavuze simple present tense yerekana ibintu bibaho buri gihe, ibikorwa ukora buri gihe, every day. It is what we call simple present tense. Urugero rwiza, I read books, soma ibitabo buri munsi. Hanyuma tugiye kureba ukuntu wa constructinga interuro in simple present tense. Ufata subject plus base form of verb, that is verb without to plus object. Mwibuke neza ko twize how to construct a sentence. Niba utabyibuka neza, go in description uraza kubonamo link, hanyuma wige how to construct a good sentence. Twabonye ko interuro nziza igirwa na subject, object and verb and even object. Hanyuma tugiye constructing a simple present tense, dufata subject tukongeraho base form of verb, it is verb without to, because every verb yose mu cyongereza itangirwa na to, but when they say without to, iyo to ntabwo ibiriho. Hanyuma tugateranyaho icyuzuzo cyangwa se object. Urugero, I read books every day, soma ibitabo buri munsi. Verb ni subject ni I, verb to read nk'uko tumaze kwibona ahangaha ivuga gusoma, to read ako without to plus books. I read books every day. Njyewe soma ibitabo buri munsi. She goes to school every day. She goes to school every day. She goes to school every day. We w'umukobwa ajya ku ishuri buri munsi. Hanyuma rero iyo turimo constructinga simple present tense, we have two rules. We add s or es on subject he, she and it. Nkuko twabyize twize subject I, you, she, he, it, we, you, they. Hanyuma ariko turi guconjugatinga verbs tugendera hari ibintu twitaho. When a verb is ended by a consonant, we add s. Iyo verb iherwa n'ingombajwi twongeraho s kuri she na he na it. Iyo verb iherwa n'ingombajwi, we add s on he, she, it. Urugero, she reads book, asoma ibitabo. She reads book. Ivan plays football. Ivan akina umupira w'amaguru. She reads book, asoma ibitabo. Umwanya ko tukongeraho s na kuri play tukongeraho s, because Ivan ni umuhungu. We can also see that he plays football. Hanyuma rero iyo verb iherwa n'inyajwi cyangwa se a vowel, we add es. Urugero, Kayitesi goes to school. Ni verb to go. Verb to go murikubona ko iherwa n'iki? N'inyajwi. That's why kuri he, she and it, we are going to add es. Then we say Kayitesi goes to school. He does his homework every evening. Akora homework buri nimugoroba. Now this is verb to do, urabona ko irwa na vowel, so we add es on she, he and it. Ni kuri ngenga ya gatatu. Hanyuma rero hano it is how to conjugate verbs, different verbs. Namwe muraza kuza kubikora munyereke ndebe muri comment. Verb to do, verb to read, how to conjugate it in simple present tense. Verb to do, I do, you do, she does, he does, it does, we do, you do, they do. Ndakora, urakora, arakora w'umukobwa, arakora w'umuhungu, ikintu cyangwa inyamaswa. It, we do, turakora, you do, murakora, they do, bo barakora batarahanga. Hanyuma verb to read the same. Ako mwibuke ko kuri she na he na it twongeraho es. Iyo verb iherwa n'inyajwi. Hanyuma iherwa n'ingombajwi twongeraho only s. Urugero, I read, you read, she reads, he reads, it reads, we read, you read, they read. Mwabonye ko ahangaha kuri zino ngenga eshatu, kuri she na he na it twongeraho only s. Mwibuke ko kandi ko kuri she twize ko ikoreshwa ku mukobwa, he igakora ku bahungu, hanyuma it igakora ku bintu cyangwa inyamaswa. So next time tuziga how to construct negatives and asking questions using simple present tense. Twibukiranye yuko iyo turimo turakora simple present tense dufata subject tukongeraho base form of verb, that's verb without to plus object. Ukora igikorwa verb without to, inshinga ndetse n'icyuzo nk'uko twabyize ubushize. So don't forget to like, to comment and subscribe to our channel so that you can see a lot, you can learn English with us. Thank you very much. Bye bye.